lately my thoughts got me distant.
Good afternoon, guys.
Yes, guys.
Welcome back to our channel, Siando Travel, guys.
To those that are new and are old, welcome, guys.
Hi, I'm Nonto.
Yeah, if you are new,
Yeah,
go by the name of
Siando Travel, guys.
Yeah.
So today's video,
What's about?
we're opening the video, the
Opening
new
the
vlogtober.
October, guys, you know, with the sharks.
That's us.
Yeah, small fishes in the pond.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, guys, I think today's video we just feel like meaty, and when we feel like meaty, there's one place that we can try.
In Tamari's Bay.
And the weather you can see.
Yeah.
What they call the weather like this? It's angry.
Yeah, it's angry.
It's an angry weather.
Crusty.
Yeah. Yeah, it's a crusty weather, guys. It's very cold today.
Yeah.
So we just said, no, let's just go get some meat at Shoppers.
Shoppers.
If you've seen our previous videos,
Yeah.
you know where Shopper is. It's one of the popular places
In Marisbeek.
in Marisbeek in
Braai
particular.
meat.
Yeah, if you want to buy meat.
Yeah.
So if you want to see that place, stick around
guys.
to see our
Braai.
Braai.
Yes, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go there and find out.
And we're not gonna forget the Borovos, eh?
Yeah.
Borovos, eh?
Yeah, the famous one.
The Borovos, boy. Borovos.
Yeah, we're gonna go check it out, guys.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, see you.
Issues, I know I got issues. Hate you. Selfish, I can be so selfish. Spend more time when meeting your friends. Please forgive my attitude. I want my cake and eat it too. But a little grace would be enough for me to prove that, baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you. Grudges, I be holding grudges, can't let go of any mistakes. Distant, sometimes I get distant, stay away as long as it takes. Please forgive my attitude, I need my cake and eat it too. But a little time will be enough for me to prove that, baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I can finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know
Hello, guys.
Hello again.
Million or thousand or trillion, billion.
Billion years later.
I think it's billion years later,
Yeah,
guys. We just come from Woolworths. We're going to the gym. As you can see, the attire.
Yes.
The attire for the gym.
And then we're gonna make a smaller than a gym.
A dinner.
A dinner, guys.
She makes gyms, guys.
You are in a gym.
Yeah, and then guys will go make a smaller than a gym. Okay, alright, guys. And then we go make a smaller than a dinner. Because it's a Friday, guys.
It's a Friday, and
Yeah.
then we relax and
Yeah,
chill.
we just want to start with the gym
Yeah.
first and get that out of the way
Done.
and get that done.
Because we need a rest.
Yeah,
I really need a rest.
and then we can go and relax and chill.
You do
Alright, let's just head to the gym
first.
first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See you.
So if you want to see that smaller yana dinner, stick around.
Gym.
these baby girls. Bury my best friend, I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. I'm good. great. Even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Living free. Wanna die when I'm 123. Really wish that all my heroes would notice me, so I could be one of the greats on a big stage, inspiring people to pray and give thanks. 'Cause somehow we made it. We're always protected while building our legacy. Travel the world, raise baby girls, marry my best friend. I'm manifesting, but not concerned. 'Cause whatever happens, I'm good. Yeah, I'm good. Actually, more than good. Kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me brave. Brave, 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 brave. Oh, more than good, kinda great. But even on the bad days, I thank God for making me.
I can't let you go, baby. I just wanna tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. 'Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down, I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no,